We have two winners! A huge, heartfelt congratulations to Cece and Nicole Ya. Each of you has been awarded a $250 cash grant from Wiserr to elevate your business, strengthen your vision, and fuel the next chapter of your success. Your dedication, creativity, and commitment to growth truly shine. This grant is more than a financial boost. It's a recognition of your hard work, your resilience, and the purpose-driven paths you're building. We are honored to support your journey and excited to witness the impact you will continue to make. But today's celebration is only the beginning. To our entire Learn Wiserr community, and to anyone watching from the outside, stay close, stay connected, and stay ready. We are just getting started, and there is so much more ahead for all of us. We invite you to be part of a movement built on future community challenges that sharpen your skills and spotlight your brilliance. Powerful business discussions that help you think bigger and execute smarter. Collective support and encouragement that strengthens every entrepreneur in the room. Purpose-driven wealth building that focuses on impact, intention, and long-term success. This is a space where collaboration replaces competition, where knowledge is shared freely, and where every member is encouraged to step boldly into their purpose. We are building something meaningful, a community that grows together, wins together, and uplifts each other every step of the way. If you're not part of Learn Wiserr yet, now is the perfect time to join us. Come learn, grow, and build alongside a community that believes in you, celebrates you, and pushes you toward your highest potential. Congratulations again, Cece and Nicole Ya. Your success lights the path for many more to follow, and we can't wait to celebrate the next wave of achievers right alongside you.